Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Hager number 3955. This is a 5-pin Schlage C keyway key blank. This is a standard Hager key blank, and the in the head of the key with the standard size and the name Hager, etc. Except that this is a Schlage C keyway. You can order every lock that they do in a Schlage C keyway, as far as I know, and this would be a typical 5-pin length C keyway. So why would you want a Hager lock in a C keyway? Well, because it's probably the most common keyway on the planet, meaning you probably already have it somewhere, and you need to have your Hager locks, the Hager locks that you've bought, compatible with a C keyway. That's all there is to it. Very typical and common that you would order original replacement key blanks from the Hager lock. It just happens to be in a C keyway. Okay, this is 5-pin. That means the length of the blade will accommodate a cylinder that has 5 pinned holes. You could have a 6-pin cylinder, but you wouldn't load anything into the 6th chamber on the key. Very typical, very common item. You can purchase these in any quantity that you want. There's a link below this video to a document called Product Catalog, where you can review cylinder, core, and keying options from the factory. And right immediately on page 2, you'll see an overview of the different key blanks that they have. You've got either a 5-pin or a 6-pin. You either have a blank or a cut key. If it's a cut key, you're simply telling the factory, I want you to cut it to this code or bidding number, and here that is. You can also see all the different keyways they can do it in as well. There appear to be about a dozen of them there. Schlage C is certainly the most common. Strangely enough, it's not listed there. So the question becomes is, how do you order it? How do you order a 3955 specifically means C keyway? And reading the manufacturer's page there, it states that the other keyways may not be on hand or available to ship immediately. They may need to bring those in. And how to order that, reach out to us. If it was me, I'd probably... And the reason they don't give the part number specifically, like a different part number to do a Russ 1D1, is they may not have just the key blanks in a Hager head and a Russ 1D1, so that is probably why you can't buy that. The references to the key optional keyways would apply to the lock sets themselves, and at that point they would supply the lock set with the cylinder and the keys, either obitted, I imagine, or cut. Probably randomly keyed would be my guess. But buying only key blanks would not be something immediately obviously available from the factory. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page, where you can pull up not only all of the Hager products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the Hager 3955 Schlage C 5-pin key blank, or any other Schlage keyway product by Hager, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.